What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5. So in today's video, guys, we do have another price update, price prediction on Polygon, Matic network, whatever you want to call it. So in today's video, guys, we can clearly see it has been pumping in value. Not just Polygon, but the whole crypto market has been up, and Polygon has managed to gain 8% in value, making it $1.54. So what I'm going to be going through today is what potential does this crypto have overall in 2022, and my prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, as a lot of people have been asking me, is it a good time to buy it? I want to buy it at the cheapest possible before it starts pumping up in value, or should I sell it, and so on and so on. So I'm going to give you guys my take on it, my prediction, and what potential this crypto has, and looking at whether it's a good investment for overall in 2022, because obviously the only reason everyone's in crypto is to make a decent amount of money, or even a huge amount of money. So is Polygon one of them? Do I own any? And if I do, have I sold it? Am I holding on to it? Am I buying more? I'm going to go through that as well later on in the video. But before I go into any of that stuff, I just want to let you guys know this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So 2.74% up, as you can see here, and Polygon has been the one of the top gainers, shall I say. Nearly 8% up in the last 24 hours, making it $1.53. Do we have just 1 cent difference between CoinMarketCap and Coinbase? I guess one of them's been rounded up and one of them's been rounded down. Over the week, it has dropped a massive 13%, guys. Especially when it comes to Polygon, it is a great crypto, a great project that they've got going on, and a good long-term hold for me anyway. And it's dropped 13% for the week, which is not looking too great. And over the month, it has just about fluctuated, so nothing major has taken place. Obviously, in between that time, in between that 1 month frame, it's been all over the place. It's dropped all the way down to about, let's have a look, $1 and where is it not moving? So we look, $1.31, and the highest it's been to was about $2.10, which is a major difference. So it has been very volatile over the last month, but overall it has just about fluctuated. So we've got the market cap here of $11.5 billion. The volume in the last 24 hours itself is $1.4 billion, and we have got a massive 70% buy, guys. We've got a lot of people, tons of amount of people investing into it, buying it, stacking it up, buying the dips, buying it even when it goes up in value. It's been absolutely crazy, and we've got minority of the people, which is 30%, selling the crypto off. And I'm presuming there's a couple of short-term traders out there as well who literally buy and sell, buy the dips and sell it when it goes high, buy it again, sell it, and stuff like that, making very good money. However, it is quite risky, and that is why I'm more into the long-term hold rather than the short-term. I rather just buy the dips, stack it up, and hold on to it for the long term until it hits a decent amount of value. So going into the CoinMarketCap website, we can also see here that the trading volume has gone down by 10% in the last 24 hours. So yes, there has been a lot of traders, as obviously we can see here that the volume was about $1.4 billion in 24 hours itself, but it has slightly gone down prior to the 24 hours because not as many people have been trading it. The only reason for that is people are just holding on to it, and we're seeing a minority of the people selling it, but most people are just holding on to it. It's going up in value, so they're just like, what, let me hold on to it, let me keep it, I'm not going to sell it right now. That's myself as well. I haven't sold it, I'm still holding on to it, because come on, Polygon, guys, from myself anyway, I believe we can hit huge amount of target over the coming months and over the coming years as well. So yeah, and they've got a lot of things coming up as well, with obviously NFTs. They've got their own blockchain running NFTs on, and so on and so on. So yeah, it's got huge potential. So let me know what your predictions and what your takes are on this crypto for 2022. What is the highest it can hit? Comment down below. We can see the highest has been to, it was $2.93, and this was very late last year, so just about 2 months ago it hit its all-time high. Can it hit another one? And if so, what can it hit? $3, $4, $5, $10, whatever your predictions are, comment them down below. I'm very keen to find out how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. So before I go into my prediction and my take, guys, if you're not subscribed to the channel but you're watching this video, please guys, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 50,000 subscribers as soon as possible, and once I do hit that, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel, and for a bonus entry following me on Instagram. And to make it even better, there's going to be 3 winners of this giveaway. I've decided 3 winners so far, but there might be 5. Again, there's going to be more details revealed on the giveaway on my Instagram page, so make sure you stay tuned on there as well. And without further ado, let's get straight into it and see what Matic or Polygon or Matic network has got planned for 2022. At the bottom here, we've got the MACD indicator, which is what I'm going to be using to do the price prediction. And at the top here, we've got the candlestick pattern chart showing us how Polygon has been performing. And we also got an SMA indicator, the purple line running across the chart, as you can see, which is currently valuing it at $1.71. However, it is currently trading at $1.52, which is below the average, meaning it is underperforming. It is not performing as well as it's supposed to, meaning it is a good sign in a way, meaning, you know, it has some value to gain over the coming weeks or months or however it takes, but it does have some value to gain. So let me zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders and then move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. So zooming in here, we can see that the blue line and the orange line are both going in a bearish direction, looking quite negative, meaning slight drops in value are expected over the coming hours. So I'm talking about towards the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, we should expect a slight drop in value on Polygon. Again, it's nothing major. It's not like it's going to completely drop in value or have a huge dump or anything like that, but a minimal decrease in value is expected. Of course, you're going to see pumps, you're going to see jumps in between, you know, peaks and drops in between, but the overall outcome seems to be more slightly on the negative side rather than the positive side. Now moving on to the hourly chart. Next couple of days, what can we expect here? We again not looking too great. Both the lines are both looking bearish, going in a negative trend. So the next couple of days are again not looking too great. So towards the end of this week and very early next week, so around Monday next week, we should expect a slightly lower value than what it's worth at the moment. Don't get me wrong, it may peak up to $1.50, $1.60, but it will drop back down and, you know, go below the $1.50 mark overall over the next couple of days. Moving on to the big boy chart, next couple of next couple of weeks, what can we expect here? They're still looking bearish. However, the blue line, we can see that is slightly starting to head towards the positive direction, meaning we've got a mixed signal here, ups and downs over the next couple of weeks. So overall, personally guys, I'm expecting huge outcomes from Polygon over the coming months, and especially in 2022 I'm expecting it to at least hit the $2.50 and way beyond that in the second half of 2022. It's a crypto that I'm holding on to for a while. I've invested into this crypto quite a while back. I'm still holding on to it, and I'll be making regular updates on Polygon. You guys have asked for 2 to 3 updates a week, which I'm trying to do it. I know I haven't been doing 2 to 3 updates a week, especially on Polygon, but again, I'm going to try and keep it as that, depending on your reaction to this video. But yeah, that is pretty much it guys for today's video. A massive shout out to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially the old subscribers and the new subscribers. Thank you guys so much, and I appreciate each and every single one of you. Keep supporting the channel and I'll keep giving back, and that is the motive on this channel. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here guys, and I'll catch all of you in my next crypto update, which should either be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.